Today, she channels that same analytical rigor and heart for service into every client relationship. When she's not advancing in the legal support field, Leann is deeply involved in her church, community, and BNI network, always finding ways to uplift others with sincerity and purpose. And she is one of the kindest, biggest hearted people you would have met.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Okay, so I was talking to someone, and she was advising me I should do a day in the life of a court reporter. Well, this person up here is my beautiful daughter. And she became a court reporter, but she became a court reporter a 911 or when COVID hit, so she didn't get to have her graduation party. So this is her moment right here, and that's how we celebrated it. Okay. Okay. So this overview is going to be Introduction to Court Reporting, the daily responsibilities of court reporting, the tools and the technology used, the challenges that a court reporter faces, and the career path and the skills required. This is my grandson who is just practicing. I don't think he's going to become a court reporter. His mindset is he's going to become the president. I told him if he wants to be the president, he has to learn how to say no. Really? Yes. Definition and purposes of court reporting. Verbatim record creation and importance of appeals. Transcription in judicial process. Court reporters play a crucial role in ensuring the transparency in the judicial process, allowing for accurate public records. They are key, and it's crucial. My notes had everything, and I'm just winging it right now because it had I had done my, but it is what it is, and you're just going to have to work with me. Okay? Court reporters are essential for capturing accurate records of the legal proceedings. They maintain legal integrity. And my notes is gone, but that is the example of their machine that they're working on. Okay? Now we're going to go into the daily responsibilities of a court reporter. They have to understand the case files. So when I receive a deposition notice, which I require that for every deposition that I take, whether it is a deposition, a tape transcription job, I've got to have the case information ahead of time so that the court reporter knows what she's walking in. She's got to know the attorney. She's got to know, so she can do her research in advance. So she has all the details. That gives her familiarity with all the individuals, and she can research the legal terminologies in advance. So she's got all the knowledge. Transcribing. The court reporter can do real-time transcription. They are required to be precision and accurate, and they use specialized equipment. It's important to be accurate. They have to show clarity in legal transcriptions, and they have to meet standards. The tools that they use. A court reporter isn't just using her machine when she's doing this. She has to have 3 backups when you are a court reporter. She's going to use the dictaphone. She's going to also has on her computer a little device that will record it as well. So she's got that. she's got her dictaphone, and then there is also a backup on her machine. So there's 3 backups she's using. I know it's overkill, but I had a court reporter once who lost her backup, and there was no backup. Then I turned around and had to turn around. It was 6 months after she took this, and it was an attorney, and he was taking an expert witness, so we had to turn around and retake this expert witness and had to pay for the whole entire thing, and that was very expensive. It was like $5,000 to redo that witness all over again. Oh, I'm sorry, and she didn't take it. Needless to say, I do not work with her ever again, and I'm not going to tell the name. The role in court reporting. Stenographer machines play a crucial role in working. They enable accurate document legal proceedings. They use chored typing and high-speed captioning. They assist the assistance in transcription and improving efficiency. They capture dialogues for video. Voice recognition software also facilitates capturing dialogue from video recordings, making it easier for them to transcribe. Digital recording devices. Court reporters use digital recording devices as essential tools for court reporting to ensure accurate audio transcriptions during the legal proceedings. So like today, what I've got going on right now is a court reporter and videographer up in Duluth for a deposition. The court reporter will get from the videographer his video so she can match it up with her deposition and make sure it's got to be verbatim. She's got to make sure every word that she's transposing is matching up with what he is stating, okay? Then she has to back it up. Challenges faced by court reporters. High-speed typing, the importance of accuracy, and balancing the skills. These are the issues. 200 words per minute is what they have to be able to do on the machine. The excellent court reporters, they're having to do 300 words per minute. They have to understand legal terminology. The role of the court reporter. Court reporters play a crucial role in legal proceedings by accurate transcribing discussions, which requires familiar legal jargon. And the challenges of that legal jargon is the complexity of that legal jargon. Without proper training, they highlight the need of continued education in this field. It's high-stress environments. They have tight deadlines. We've got a 10-day turnaround for the court reporters. They have to kick this stuff out fast. In fact, when they requested expedite, it depends on how fast they need it. When they ask for an expedite, we've got to know in advance how soon they need it because it's got to be turned around right away. Focused, they have to remain focused and composed when they're transcribing. So the career path and the skills that are needed to become a court reporter. Ultimately, when they start school, the court reporters need to be, is that for me?
No.
Okay. They have to,
know her, though.
oh, wonderful. Oh, yay. Okay. The court reporters end up with an associate degree, and they have to ultimately, in the state of Minnesota, they have to pass with 225 words per minute and a 97% accurate ratio. So there isn't a lot of court reporters that are turning out right now in Minnesota. They have to show attention to detail. They have to remain calm under pressure. They have to have excellent listening skills and fast typing ability. Ultimately, I love this profession, and I think that they make a difference. I got my daughter into this. She's got a wonderful career, and she can do it anywhere. I mean, if she chooses to leave Minnesota, she can take her talent, and she can go anywhere. Once you have a skill set, that can be, you can do it anywhere. So if you know anyone that is possibly interested in becoming a court reporter, please send them my way. I would love to talk to them and give them more information. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.
Yeah, one of my questions, and I think you kind of answered it, but like,
Yeah.
after the deposition's done, all that
Yep.
sort of stuff, they go back and review all of that to make sure they got everything down, right? Like,
Yes.
Got every word, everything that went to the backup surfboard.
Yep. Yep.
And then depending on, and then you mentioned the turnaround time. It depends on what they're asking.
Yes.
Okay.
But normal turnaround is 10 business days.
Okay. Wow.
Yes. And here is examples of a transcript if you guys want to see one.
Yeah.
Is that one different than the last one?
No. You've seen it.
Yeah.
I didn't reprint. Hey, I'm saving paper.
Thank you. Very cool. Very cool.
Just the people that haven't seen this.
So what school would you go to be a court reporter, like?
Anoka Hennepin is the only one in the state.
Is it a 2-year program or a 1-year?
Yes. It depends on when they pass. So it's going to be based off of them and their speed, but the end result is 225 per word, 225 per minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's a big thing. It's not easy. I mean, it took Jamie 5 years.
Really,
Yes.
to get to that?
But
Yeah.
she took a break in that time frame.
Well, and it's not the
But she
regular
did
word
it.
either.
She did it. It isn't. It's its own language.
Yeah.
So.
And the keyboard is not your typical keyboard like you were.
Exactly. You know, I was going to bring one, and I'll do that one day, and we'll play with it.
Next time.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that'd be fun. Anyway, thank you very much for,
Thank you.
you're welcome.